Hi there, little explorers. Welcome to the amazing animal zoo. Are you ready for a wild adventure? Grab your explorer hats, we're going on a virtual tour to meet some of the coolest animals in the world. First stop, the king of the jungle, the lion. Lions live in grasslands and savannas in Africa. Look at that big, fluffy mane. Did you know lions can sleep up to 20 hours a day? That's a lot of cat naps. Next up, giant, gentle elephants. These are the largest land animals on Earth. They use their long trunks to pick up food, spray water, and even give themselves showers. Isn't that cool? Wow, look way up there, it's a giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world. They use their long necks to reach yummy leaves at the tops of trees. And guess what? They have blue tongues. Now let's chill out with some penguins. Even though they're birds, penguins can't fly, but they sure can swim. They waddle around and slide on their bellies like little ice surfers. Ooh, ha ha. It's monkey time. Monkeys swing through trees and love to play. They're super smart and love bananas, just like us sometimes. Let's visit the reptile house. SSSSH. It's a little spooky. Here's a snake, slithering silently. Don't worry, he's friendly. And look, a turtle. Turtles have hard shells that protect them, just like a helmet. What a wild day at the zoo. We saw lions, elephants, giraffes, penguins, monkeys, and reptiles. Which animal was your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more animal adventures, and